And that's it, the salmon is done, guys. So basically around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Assalamu alaikum, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a salmon dish. Delicious, succulent, tender, juicy, beautiful salmon dish. So you start off by melting some butter and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and you add some chopped onion and garlic. So that's chopped onion and garlic added to the butter and olive oil. Okay, so once the garlic and onion just turn translucent in color, do not overcook them, just translucent. You add some fish stock.
It doesn't have to be whatever, chicken, vegetable.
Yeah, any stock will do, but we're using fish stock for the moment, just to add to the flavor. Let it bubble up a little bit, just to cook it down a little bit. Okay, you can see now it's starting to bubble up, to boil. This is the point where you add some cream, some cooking cream. Then shortly after you add some lemon zest, a squeeze of half a lemon. If you like it more on the acidic side, you can add more, but for us half a lemon is enough.
Some salt and pepper?
Now you season it with some
Not much because the stuff is
salt and pepper, just a little bit. Don't overdo it. You can always add more later if needed.
bit of pepper.
That's black pepper, and stir it in.
Cook a little bit.
So after the liquid has reduced a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes of reducing, you add some Parmesan cheese.
And continue cooking it until desired consistency.
And continue cooking it and reducing it until the desired consistency. Depends how thick you want it or how runny you like it. Okay, so now after the sauce has reduced to your desired consistency, you add chopped parsley and dill to the sauce.
Cook it a little bit for a minute or so, and that's it.
And just cook it just for a little bit, just for the flavors to infuse with the sauce, and that is it for the sauce. Okay, so now it's time to prepare the rice for the dish, the bed of rice in which the salmon rests upon. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more delicious and simple recipes. So you drop the veggies. In this case, we're just using convenient frozen veggies with some ghee, and you just cook it out for a little bit. So after the veggies have cooked out for a little short while, you add the rice. And then stir it well.
Until it's frying like spaghetti.
Now you season it with salt and black pepper. And stir it well again. And at this point you add fish stock, or you can add water if you don't have any fish stock, but fish stock really does go well with it since it's a salmon dish.
Let it boil and then turn the heat down.
So you let it reach the boil, and then you turn the heat down, And it should cook in 20 minutes or so, until it becomes nice and fluffy. And that's pretty much it for the rice, very simple. And now it's time to see the salmon, to cook the salmon. First of all, make sure your salmon is super dry. Just dry it down thoroughly. Then you salt it. And add some black pepper to it and rub it in. So in a pan, you melt some butter with extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's super hot. Just treat it like you would treat a steak, extremely hot. And you place it skin side down. And you press down on it to sear it properly and get that crispy skin. Once the salmon is halfway cooked, you can see how it's halfway cooked. That's your indication to flip. And you can see it's perfectly seared, perfectly crispy skin. That's the way you want it. And that's it, the salmon is done, guys. So basically around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And it comes out nice and pink and perfect. Now it's time to plate. Now it's time to plate up. And this is the final product. Absolutely scrumptious. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.